Okay, so we're finishing plugging these into Desmos. This is question number 9 for me. Negative 7x squared minus 2x plus 4 equals 0. We need A, B, and C. Who's A, y'all? Negative 7. Who's B? And who's C? 4. Remember, my quadratic formula is x equals the opposite of b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. You should be writing this down. Now I'm going to plug it in. Also log into your laptops. Thank you for doing that. And let's put the pieces together. So we have x equals the opposite of b. What's b? 2. Excuse me. The opposite of negative 2 becomes, so make your double negatives a double positive. Then we'll say plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c, all divided by 2 times a. So let's finish plugging in. Negative 2, negative 7, and 4, and then who goes down here? Negative 7. So then I'm going to type this in Desmos. Don't shout this out at me. Just write it down on your papers, please. I got it. Thank you. X equals just regular 2 now. We don't have to put the plus. Plus square root, whatever I get here for Desmos, all divided by, what's 2 times negative 7? And then negative 14 can go on the bottom. That's one answer. And then over here, I'm going to say 2 minus, subtracting whatever I get from Desmos, all divided by negative 14. One answer, 2 answers. If you show your work on your paper properly and you mistype something into your IXL quiz, I'm still giving points for that. It has to be on your paper while I'm grading it. You can't go do it backwards. The work comes first, then you type it in. And then question 10 for me. I'm just filling this in, and y'all are going to fill it in and type in your answers on your quiz. X squared, we got to do some work for this one, plus 20 equals 4x. Who do I want this to equal? Because I'm finding the rocks. What was the rocks? So I want it to equal who? What was the number over here? The number over here. I want it to equal 0. So how do I make this a 0? Good. I have to subtract the 4x from both sides. This part of your work also has to be shown or you will not get credit. Are you writing this down? I see typing. I should see writing. Now, write your simplified or your rearranged equation. X squared. Then what? Minus 4x plus 20. Now I have my A, B, and C. A is, who's in front of the x squared? 1. Who's in front of the x? And who's my constant? That's what C is for, constant. Now I'm plugging it in. X equals the opposite of negative 4. What's the opposite of negative 4? Positive 4. So later on, I'm going to have a positive 4. Plus or minus, big radical, b squared minus 4 times a times c, all divided by 2 times a, which is just 1, which is just a 2. You said -4, 1, and 20. Then we're going to type this into Desmos. And then whatever number we get here, we're going to put in a little radical, and then it's going to come down here and here, and I'm going to type that, whoops, into iExcel and get it right. And that's it.